Just 3 or 4 days ago, there was a house here, and all these bricks here are all the bricks off the old house, and they chipped off all the concrete or the mortar off the bricks, and they've stacked them all up, and they're stacking them all up, and then I guess they'll do the same as what they did in the other place and rebuild a new house here. They just reuse the clay bricks, chip all the mortar off and reuse the bricks. So anyway, I'm just surprised because I drove around the corner. I'm going, what? Where'd that house go? Anyway, we're just down at the markets here. Got the tom and the prawns and meat and everything. Xin chào. Xin chào. So that's me. I got married yesterday, and that was a whole different experience to what it was to what it might be in Australia or that. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share.